Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to use the Shortcuts app on your Mac. So first open Launchpad and then search for Shortcuts. Now open Shortcuts. Over here you can see that I have already set up some shortcuts for my iPhone. So the shortcuts that you set up on your iPhone are synced with your Mac. So for example, if I run the shortcut Wi-Fi off, you'll see that the Wi-Fi turns off. If I run the shortcut Wi-Fi on, you'll see that the Wi-Fi turns on and it is searching for a connection, and now it is connected to my Wi-Fi. If you want to add some more shortcuts, on the top click on the plus icon, and here you can search for anything, search for the action that or the app that you want to set the shortcut for, or you can select from here. So I'll search for Bluetooth. Now you can see set Bluetooth. Click on it. It says turn Bluetooth on, and if I click over here, as you can see, the Bluetooth on my MacBook turns on. So now you can over here I can set the name of the shortcut. I'll keep it Bluetooth on, and if I press on the orange icon over here, I can select any other icon for the shortcut, and I can even select a color for the shortcut. So for example, if I want to keep this as the shortcut icon, as the icon for my shortcut, I'll click on it and then choose the color from here. So if I want purple, I'll click on purple and then done. So now all I have to do is close this window, and over here you can see the Bluetooth on shortcut has been set up. So you can also set up an action to turn Bluetooth off. So if I click on the plus icon, then search for Bluetooth again, and over here I can select turn or toggle, and over here on if I click on, it'll switch to turn off. So because I forgot to name the action, I can just right click on it and then click on rename, and then set it to Bluetooth off, and click on enter. Now it is set to Bluetooth off. So now if I run this action, the Bluetooth on my MacBook will turn off. So that is how you use the Shortcuts app on your Mac. Thank you.